In this video, we are going to define the basic trigonometric ratios. Okay. For that, we have to again take a right angle triangle. So suppose we have this right angle triangle ABC, where angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C is theta. Theta is a Greek letter and it is used to denote angles in particular. So let this angle be called theta. Now we define the first trigonometric ratio, sine theta, remember it is pronounced as sine. So sine theta is defined as P by H. So if you have gone through the last video, you will know what P is with respect to this angle theta. We had seen there that P, that is perpendicular with respect to any given angle, is the side opposite to that angle. So with respect to theta, P is the side opposite to theta, which is AB. So P will be AB and H, which is the hypotenuse, is the side opposite to the 90 degree angle, which is AC. We define the second trigonometric ratio called cos theta as B by H, that is base by hypotenuse. Now with respect to angle theta, base is the side adjacent to this angle, which is BC. So base is BC and H, hypotenuse, is again AC. We define the third trigonometric ratio, tan theta, as we define it as P by B. Now again, perpendicular for theta is the side opposite to theta, which is AB. And base with respect to theta is the side adjoining theta, which is BC. After defining these three basic trigonometric ratios, we define their reciprocals. So the reciprocal of sine is cosec. The reciprocal of sine is cosec. So cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. Which is equal to H by P, since it is the reciprocal. And with respect to this given triangle, it will be AC by AB. Similarly, the reciprocal for cos is sec. So sec theta it is equal to 1 by cos theta, and since it is the reciprocal of cos, cos is b by h, so this will be h by b, and as a result it will be AC by BC. Last but not the least, we have cot, which is the reciprocal of tan. So cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta, so since tan theta is P by B, cot theta will be B by P, and which is equal to, since P by B is AB by BC, B by P will be BC by AB with respect to this triangle. So we can write here BC by AB with respect to this given triangle ABC. So here we have the definitions of the 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Now we have to remember that these definitions hold true for every right angled triangle. That means sine theta is always P by H for any given right angled triangle. Cos theta is always P by H for any given right angled triangle. The only thing is that P, H and B will change from triangle to triangle and with respect to a given angle. So that is the basics of trigonometric ratios. We'll come back again to see a few things about identities of trigonometric ratios. Thank you.